Hey, what is up gang? It's your bro Francis back again with another reaction video. So we are gonna check out a music video straight out of Meghalaya from the Khasi hills, I guess. Yes. So the name of the song is Shnong, and the artists in here are Pynkhreh, Lamurong and Jennyfer Lyngkhoi. Without wasting any time, without further ado, we are gonna just vibe into the music video. We are gonna dive in and enjoy the ride. And it is put out in this YouTube channel called Brightly Min Song. I have just subscribed to it and also turn the notifications on. Anyways, without wasting any time, without further ado, let's just vibe into it. Brightly Min Song Studio. Hala Shnong. Hala Shnong. Hey, that gamusa. Gamusa. Wow, it's a flute, right? Nice. Jennyfer Lyngkhoi, the actress. Wow. Hey. She's pretty. The boy is also looking good. Hey. It's a drone shot. What field is this one? Doesn't look like a paddy field. It's not a paddy field. I think it's a tea garden, if I'm not wrong. Tea garden, yes.
Hai Shnong te hala Shnong, kat nong is no sarong. Hai Shnong te hala Shnong, kajing e kabaning kong.
Hai Shnong te hala Shnong, kat nong is no sarong. Hai Shnong te hala Shnong.
I feel like the audio is in the theater mode or something. Anyways, we're just gonna vibe into this. Oh, these guys are dancing behind. I love her teeth. Hey. Iba lucky sad. Hey. This is a different girl, yeah. There are two girls. Wow, I really have to appreciate the women, whether it's in Meghalaya or especially in the northeast. Women are the most hardworking one. They go to the field, they carry wood, water, they have to cook the rice, feed the children, take care of the children, send them to school and all this other stuff. I don't know what we boys are doing. Anyways, more power to all the women out there and a huge salute. Kibor Kurpa, supporting actress, okay. Doratia Kurba. Hey, I think I've seen him. He looks similar. I think he was there in one of the music video. I am sure of that.
Ki jikerman ngidan yak ngin urlang ai kin long mau len na isha kala we baturna.
Hey.
Wow.
Wow. See, those girls are so beautiful, and I really love this attire. Of course, my dear brothers, you're also good too, but the girls should be appreciated more.
Kala we baturna.
Hey.
Shak dei ilu ya se ya lekai ban long jing kan mau aki por jukala shai petik lum ki
Wow.
kat no ka jing I thiang.
So beautiful. Every time I react to music videos from Meghalaya, I always will have a point to appreciate the nature, the beauty of it. See, like this is the water field or whatever you call it. We call it pani kheti. Actually, it's an Assamese word, pani kheti, and in between there is a road with some green, grass or lawn or whatever. And I mean, like, it's so beautiful, right? Naturally so beautiful.
Petik lum ki wa kat no ka jing I thiang ki dan la ki jing lam ban thao la
Hey. The girls are also beautiful, by the way. All of them.
Shak dei kilu ya se ya lekai ban long jing kan mau aki por jukala shai petik lum ki wa kat no ka jing I thiang ki dan la ki jing lam ban thao la bu kerpang.
Hey.
What I jing I kan long kang ha kilo pernai kum kasi bayangi kado. Trap halayin trap kanongi hungi palay. Trap halayin trap kabala benta dublay.
Hey.
Trap halayin trap kanongi hungi palay.
Wow, this is so fun with friends like this, not together. Oh my goodness.
Trap halayin trap kanongi hungi palay.
This guy.
Halayin trap kabala benta
This
dublay.
this guy enjoying this. I love this. What is it called? Mekhela.
Bahak kenjakan ki jing khus la jing khusi.
Hey.
Halor dulu mau siang minta
Hey.
ya kalawai ban skam kanong rin hak majong ubril ublay.
Anyways, this was really an amazing music video. I really enjoyed it, and especially I am a tea lover and I love tea, and tea gardens are really beautiful, and of course the people in this music video were so beautiful, and that's one of the reason I really enjoyed this music video. I could feel it, I could vibe with it, and also I think the audio had a little bit of problem. They could have improved in that one, and the audio mixer or the audio engineer should really take a good care of the audio, I guess, because the audio was little bit off, the kind of sound. Of course the singer's voice and all was good, but the audio felt like in that not studio, in a theater, or in a theater or somewhere. It was split in a big hall or somewhere like that, that sound was bouncing back. And anyways, I hope that they could improve in the next time other than that, everything was superb, legit, on point, and I really love it. And once again, thank you so much to each and every one of you for coming and watching this reaction. God bless you, Shibun. Anyways, bye bye, take care, God bless you all.